MP3 Google Analytics Introduction to Reports, focusing on chart display and annotation. When hovering your mouse over any point on the data over time graph, a display pops up. Each one lists its date and value. If your chart is selected to use the Compare to Past feature, then that comparative data will also be in the display pop-up when you hover over a data point. If a data point has an annotation, the display will expand to indicate the number of annotations for it. In the example on the left, you see this data point has one annotation. An annotation allows you to add a note regarding anything on your site, relevant information, insight that applies to that day, and possibly affecting that day's data. Annotations being present for a data point, as mentioned, are indicated within the display pop-up at the bottom along with how many. Also on the x-axis there are annotation icons for each point that has annotations. If you click on the down arrow tab in the middle, you will see a list of all existing annotations. If you click on an annotation icon, the annotation list will display. That data point's annotation will be bold, and that data point's display pop-up is present. To create a new annotation, click on the Create New Annotation option available at the bottom of the display pop-up or on the top row on the right of the annotation list. Options when creating an annotation are adjust the date, enter notes up to 160 characters, check option to share or keep private based on your login. If an item holds more importance than others, you can click on the star next to it. This is a standard feature used in Gmail. Note, this feature is based on your personal login, so others will not see the star selected when viewing this report profile. Today we covered chart display and annotation. For more information on any item in the series, email massimo@mpiolini.com.